If I could go back, I wouldn't work harder. I'd choose differently. Because the truth is, effort without wisdom is just motion. Why speed isn't wisdom? We live in a world obsessed with urgency. Faster results, faster money, faster everything. But after 50 years of living, here's what I know now. Speed can be a distraction. Real wisdom? It takes reflection, not reaction. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Lessons I learned late. I used to chase every opportunity, said yes to too many things, burned out trying to prove my worth. What I wish I'd known? Saying no is a superpower. Clarity beats hustle every single time. The people who win long-term aren't the busiest, they're the clearest. The power of long-term thinking. I didn't always plan for the long game. I was too busy surviving the week. But when I started asking, what do I want 10 years from now? Everything changed. I stopped chasing shortcuts and started building systems. I built assets, not gigs. I focused on purpose, not pressure. If you're over 50 and feel like it's too late, stop that thought now. This is your advantage. You've got experience, perspective, depth. Start using it. You don't need to catch up. You just need to choose better starting today. Want to skip years of trial and error? I made a free guide to help you think bigger and start smarter. It's linked below. Grab it, use it, and build something meaningful. Because success after 50 isn't about working harder. It's about choosing differently.